Nole nei e mala au whaalono tuai, i le tausala o Samoa, Uafes Fumono, Priscilla Olano, Bolana Saunoanga Bulimuli, Malana Saasaanga Fa Samoa.
It is a pleasure to call upon the reigning Miss Samoa 2016, Miss Priscilla Olano, for her farewell speech and her final Siva Samoa as Miss Samoa. Please put your hands together for Priscilla Olano.
Every Miss Samoa before me was different. They were each unique in their own way, and they brought their own flavor. And so that's my encouragement to all the girls backstage and to the next Miss Samoa. Whatever talents, whatever gifts you have, that's you. Don't be afraid to show it, because that's what God's given you. And whatever flavor you can add to this, to Miss Samoa, add it. That's the beauty. That's how God made us to be. We each called to bring something different to the table. For me, my main mission was mainly for our young people. I wanted to encourage you to continue to stay strong in the Lord and keep that relationship strong. I don't know what the next Miss Samoa will do, but I believe she will do greater things. And it's only going to get better from here on. And in fact, that's not just something for the Miss Samoa, that's something I want to encourage each and every one of you to do. Just be yourself. Embrace God's plan for your life, whatever gifts, whatever talents He's given you. That's what makes you unique. It's how you use them. That's up to you. But I encourage you to embrace that plan, because it's only blessings will follow, as this has been for me, this journey. And to everyone who supported me over this past year, again, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I have no other words to say. It's meant a lot to me. And I only ask that you continue that support for the next Miss Samoa. Keep her in your prayers. Continue to lift her up, because she's only human. She will be facing a lot of things, and your support will mean a lot to her. And to the next Miss Samoa, girl, you're in for a big surprise. You're gonna love it, you're gonna hate it, but by the end of it, you would have become someone else. You're one step closer to becoming the woman you are meant to be. So again, thank you all for making it out here tonight. We really appreciate it. We all appreciate it. And to all the sponsors for our contestants, they did an amazing job tonight with each of the categories. The girls too they're on par with each other. And I can only imagine the competition next year will get a lot harder. But it's going to get a lot more interesting. So thank you, Samoa, and God bless you, and have a good night.
Your last Siva is Miss Samoa, Priscilla. Please give her a round of applause for the fantastic year that she has had. The lovely, the beautiful Miss Priscilla Olano. Put your hands together for our Miss Pacific Islands, Ann Dunn, who is in the room, in here with us. Stand up, please, Ann. Turn around, give everyone a wave. Can we have the lights on, Ann? Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Pacific Islands has been with us throughout the night. We also like to acknowledge Nelly Samoa, who gave all of us these ulas, Eveni Carruthers for the sashes, and if I might just get the ulu to step out here for a moment, we have to acknowledge Naumati Creation and Fashion, who dressed us today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Ole mi Samoa ia olo so ta ia male ya ko le tangata ta fa mai fa ko le lango ina la le ole ul fa le ia o mi ta ta fa e pio me la o mana to le mektano e lango le mi Samoa le ta usanga ole o su yo le tonga ya ta tolo le ul silo le mektano ia pa pe ko le malu le fa ngaluenga e ole toia mo nga lo fa mo le mi Samoa le ya so na i le asa le ya Manuela to faiva yo le fo le malu yo pa malu le
McDonald's, I'm loving it.
Yo ofi lava tu da tu ia le tau au fa pena nga lu so tau au ya ga nga si le fa tau ba tu na tu ia nga te ya o nga ina i fasa la mo fa la loa ia le pokalame o ia ma va nga te tasi pokalame o le Samoa le se pa ia le so tu ha ia o fa sui o le pulfatun ya tia Kim Kau ia mala pule fo yo Nathan Kyle ia mesele pulenga mala fa nga benga ale TV tolu ia mo moni atoi lava le fo anga o fa manianga i te mai tai uma o tau bali e tau sanga le tato Samoa.
Our main focus is to assist the Miss Samoa committee and Miss Samoa to achieve their community work programs. We wish you guys all the best and may the beautiful girl wins.
Being a 100% Samoan company, our drive is always to take our economy forward. Supporting this event is about showcasing what is the real strength of being Samoan. And basically this is why we are up here supporting this event. And on behalf of the staff and management of Samoa Beverage Company, makers of Taula, the brew of Samoa, we wish all the girls best of luck.
Taxi, Oahualea.
Talafalava, on behalf of Farmer Joe, we would like to wish all the contestants for the Miss Samoa pageant this year best of luck.
Natural Samoa water.
Ole nga lava yo ultimate check puli afi tele nga te fo le tatu campagne le sa pe no la umalama ina ia fa pe no la ngolo ina ia fa mo nga fa pe nei al tatu mutulu e ma fa ina fi so swani e afo e tu na tu sa va noa e tala ina la va noa mo sui tau ba po to mai ta ia o tatu mutulu e ma fa no la tu fa ia la tu tali ia wa fo tu la ngole o fi so swani e te ma wa ina le nga te o lu mana i o tatu mutulu yo le nga lava ia fa pe no ma mo ni to mai ta ro fa pe no tau vai le po i le nga ngolo tu mo la le nga te yo le nga ngolo fi na ia le nga te fo le on tau ve ina le ole ngo fo Samoa i fo fuanga tanto la sua le nga te yo le o se fica ata
simply the best.
We've been involved in this sort of this Samoa competitions for quite some time, and I believe that it's something that should be done and should continue to be done. Every other country in the Pacific, as a matter of fact, the whole world do this, and Samoa Observer is doing his part to make sure that we have a pageant like this of Samoa, and that's something that we have to be very thankful for those who are involved. So having said that, I wish you all the best, and God bless you all. Thank you.
You know, like everyone else, we want to support them. It's not easy for them to be, you know, in front of so many people. Prices award line of contest. On behalf of the Talo Fairways, Maria's Healthcare Pharmacy, contestant in Lapo Confinga. but whoever they're all winners. But why la vale la pulanga bumbu mai ia. Fa malo ku ye ma persia ye mal support on lako group ile a tangata le la fa manguia ile Miss Samoa le la kamu mai.
Come fly Talofa Airways, Elaititi Aimaini.
My line has been sponsoring the Miss Samoa for about 2-3 years now. We just our business makes body care and skin care, and it's part of Samoa's natural beauty, so that's why we try and get our products to each of the contestants so they can use natural products using our local oils, our local coconut oil. So we'd like to wish all the best to each and every contestant, and may the best one win.
We are going to invite your beautiful contestants back onto the stage for our Launa Tongi, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for our Miss McDonald Samoa 2017 contestants. Girls, it has been a fantastic evening, and you have all made it so wonderful with your beautiful smiles, your great talents, and just amazing presentations tonight. Whatever happens, ladies, you are all winners, and never forget that. We would like to invite Miss Samoa Priscilla Olano to please present our contestants with our bouquets, thanking them for their courage and their valuable contribution to the Miss McDonald Samoa Pageant 2017. Bear with us, ladies and gentlemen, while we acknowledge each of our contestants with their bouquets. Contestant number 1, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Samoa, New Zealand, Miss Natalie Leitulani Toivai. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Miss EMD Carameli Oriana Schuster. Ladies and gentlemen, your contestant number 3, Miss Tarihano Maungalui, Luama'ava Eva Tuna Papali'i. Your contestant number 4, Miss Taps Design and Fashion, Naitosala Jane Schuster. Your contestant number 7, Miss Samoa, New South Wales, Fasi Faitafa Talimatasi Leonevado. Miss Samoa, Australia, your contestant number 6, Miss Hopeland Ayesi Toloa. Contestant number 7, Miss Samoa, Victoria, Adele Pao Sophia. Ladies and gentlemen, your contestant number 8, Miss Original Style, Natasha Darrow. And your contestant number 9, Miss House of Gold, Miss Alexandra Yakopo.
O la manoa nei, wala au whaalolo tuai, le pule, o le McDonald Samoa and McDonald American Samoa, mo le taua o ina o a tātou whailonga whaapitoa.
May I call upon the owner of the McDonald Samoa Family Restaurant, Tautolo Charlie Tautolo, as naming sponsor to present the special awards. Ladies and gentlemen, Tautolo, Charlie Tautolo. Please give him a hand. We start with Miss Personality. Miss Personality has been selected and voted on by the ladies themselves. Miss Personality is contestant number 9, Miss Hasako.
Miss Alexandra Jacopo.
Another round of applause, ladies, for Miss Personality. Our next award is Miss Photogenic. Miss Photogenic is selected by the official photographer, Sao Mulibai Sayo Photography. And the award for Miss Photogenic goes to
Miss EMD, Carameli Oriana Schuster.
Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Internet. This is sponsored by CSL, Zoom, and LavaSpot, worth 500 tala. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Internet goes to
Miss EMD, Miss Carameli Oriana Schuster.
Our next special award is the Miss National Tourism Award. This is voted by the organizing committee themselves for the best all-rounder contestant. The Miss National Tourism Award goes to
Miss Original Style, Miss Natasha Darrow.
contestant number 8. Thank you. Thank you, Charlie. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Sarong. These are designer awards. The Best Sarong for the Miss McDonald Samoa 2017 goes to
Contestant number 5, Miss Samoa, New South Wales, Miss Pasi Faitafa Lilolevave.
Our next special award is the Puletasi Designers Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the Miss McDonald Samoa 2017 Best Puletasi Award goes to
Contestant number 7, Miss Samoa Victoria, Miss Adele Faosofia.
And our final special award for tonight is our Best Traditional Inspired Attire Award. Our Best Laula Au and Fungala Au Wearable Art goes to
Contestant number 7, Miss Samoa Victoria, Miss Adele Fausafia. Whaafutaiatu I laua fionga I le lipule, mo le tau auina o tātou whailonga ne afiafi.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please thank Tautolo Charlie Tautolo, our naming rights sponsor, for giving out our special awards. And congratulations to all the winners.
O le avanoa nei, e walaau whaalolo tuai I laua fionga I le masiofo, laua fionga whaamausili le inafo tuima le lifano, mo le tau auina o tātou whailonga whaapitoa, whaatulangaina mo tamaitai manu malo.
We humbly and respectfully request Masiofo Fa'amausili Leinafo Tuimaleli Fano to present the main prizes and placings of the McDonald's Miss Samoa Pageant 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, we start with the best talent. We're going to use drum rolls now, gentlemen at the back. The Best Talent Award for the Miss Samoa 2017 goes to
Contestant number 9. Miss House of Gold, Alexandra Jacopo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next prize is the Best Interview. The Best Interview Award goes to
Contestant number 9, Miss House of Gold, Miss Alexandra Jacopo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Miss Samoa 2017-2018 fourth runner-up award goes to
Contestant number 1, Miss Samoa, New Zealand, Miss Natalie Toivai.
Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Samoa 2017-2018 third runner-up award goes to
your contestant number 4, Miss Tab's Fashion Design, Miss Naitosala Shusta.
Ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up, Miss Samoa 2017-2018, second runner-up award goes to
the contestant number 7, Miss Samoa Victoria, Miss Adele Fausofia.
Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up for Miss Samoa 2017-2018 goes to
the contestant number 5, Miss Samoa New South Wales, Miss Fasi Linolavavi.
the moment you've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. The winner of the Miss McDonald Samoa 2017 pageant goes to
contestant number 9, Miss House of Gold, Miss Alexandra Jacopo.
Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, Paftaitele to Masiofo.
E moriatu le nganga fa apteitele, ila wafionga ile Masiofo fa mausili, tu sai fo yo le tau aina wa tanto fa ilonga le nei po.
We invite the reigning Miss Samoa, Miss Alexandra Jacopo, to take the floor for your dance.
E vala watu le Miss Samoa Luafes Fulfitu, Miss House of Gold, Alexandra Jacopo, mo lau sa saanga fa Samoa. ole lea. Yo, yo, yo,
yo.
Samoa e whātalo whātu le pai e whāpeo le mamamu. Ai alo mai se ia upe se whāwhia whia atu. Samoa e whātalo whātu le pai e whāpeo le mamamu. Ai alo mai se ia upe se whāwhia whia atu. Sino lau mai moa malau sila sina. Awa e te sio se i whai atu lau sina. Na tasi wa wha Samoa ua tau nei loa. Wa tau au ina mutoi whai le masa maloa.
Se joe pati mai le awhia, se joe pati mai le awhia, mo le saasaanga, wha Samoa, a le tamaitai la le leo Samoa, lua afes fupitu, le sunga i Alexandra Yakopo. Ma lo whaafitai ainga, whaafitai wo, le support your tattoo sponsors.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't leave too early. We have a band. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand as we honor our head of state and his masiofo as they depart. Fantastic and incredible evening, ladies and gentlemen. We thank you for joining us tonight. And we look forward to seeing you again next year. We would like to thank Samoa Events Incorporation, the awesome, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the same group, for our awesome organization, the beautiful set designs, the coaching and mentoring of the young contestants, and the personal development programs throughout the year. You have had many late nights a group from Sing. We have watched you work so hard, and I hope that you will now finally get some time with your families. Thank you for those who are watching this McDonald's Samoa pageant on TV3 live streaming. If we can all stand for the song with our little ladies and gentlemen, we will end with that prayer. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And that concludes Miss Samoa. Oh, Reverend is going to say a prayer. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the formal part of our evening. But this year, it is a different evening. These girls, you got to loosen up right now, because for the first time this year, we are moving over to a band, a live band. Where is the Pule Rimoni Ayafi? I was told that my last task is to thank you all and move our event across to the live band. Ladies and gentlemen.
You are on for camera, not the speaker.
Hello, sir. You're on now.
Huh?
You're on for camera, not for speaker, just for camera.
Kami lang
on my phone.
Balik.
My name is the nearest actors. You need for the live streaming.
Malo va tai, malo le on sai le ne viafi. Ya, sao no ia, le aso la ngona le ne viafi tu sai ole. O le va mani ngabo atu la suma le mai tai ole tau sala Samoa.
Sai lava. Nei tu la ngona fa ngai tia, mal pia. Ya e moli lava vinga le atua. Le oni vinga oni sile fai o vinga lava le atua le. Ya le ngona pia mal fa sai o ainga. Na yo sponsors. Na yo uso atauva. Ya, mesele malo la tinula sapata simaye. Paso atu e foi le nei tu la mal nei foi fa moi.
O le ase tu langa le lo e ma va we. E ave le tunu ina we pale mai le pale ole. O le ase me o lo e sauni ave ya Samoa.
Haftai. O le wa sauni o fa tu lo nei tanga te tu tunu. Awal me lava le sa o now yai ya tu mai foi le atuaya ya le vision for ya tiao Alexandra ya atono le fa mo moela e fala tele ina fala fa no tiao wa no tuai tatu atunu so ya tiao lava ya la o fa tu atolo tanga mo lo malosi o mafofaunga ya malpoto le wa ya tiao ya etau tu ai tatu atunu mala no ma fa tai
O e fie never.
La ngona ya pape ini si upe fa metsala fia ya wala ngona lava le fia se la pa sene mal ofa hatu
La se ve awe te ave mo uso atau vale ve nei.
Se la ngona na mo se message sa wala mo na yo uso le alwalu pe fa wa pe le ngata i tau vangal nei la telefoni se ba no ai mo e foi la to ya le to mai male ba no e tau tu e fa tatu no.
What is your reactions tonight?
My reaction is, I never expected this. My boss told me that he wouldn't approve my leave if I don't come here to get the crown. But I said I don't have any expectations. So I am just thankful and give glory to God.
Let me ask you again, did you expect this tonight?
No, never expected it. All I came here for is just to experience, for networking, so that I can develop myself as an individual to contribute to our development.
What are you going to offer for Samoa?
Everything, all of me. I'm going to offer all of me to serve my country.
Say something to your sister contestants.
My fellow sisters, it doesn't end here. This is just the beginning for all of you. So continue to strive. Continue to strive.
Your parents are here tonight?
Yes, my parents are here, Fangamalama, and kopo isa ako, from Sapali and Pusafa Sulafai, so I'm a proud Savai.
Thank you very much and congratulations.